Large format tiles are heavy and hard to maneuver into place. The BARWALT V300 vacuum suction cup helps you wrangle these beasts with ease. The suction cup comes with a protective case and cover to prolong optimal performance. It works great on tile, glass, marble, and stone. The white line indicator on the pump can warn you of significant vacuum loss. If you can see the white line, pump it again before you lift your material. Also, a safety pressure gauge will indicate adequate suction. Once you have placed your material where you need it, press the suction release button. It can hold an impressive 300 pounds. The handle is large and gives a secure grip for unwieldy pieces of tile. Don't risk dropping your expensive tile, glass, or stone. Use the powerful V300 vacuum suction cup for a secure grip on your next job.